दिक्कत नहीं मिल जाएगी। ठीक है,
मिली थी आपने तो मिली है
ठीक है।
पर ये
और इडली मिक्सर ये और ये भी है ये निकलने का यूँ होता है,
ये ब्लॉग बनेगा, अंदर जा रही है,
अंदर जा रही है, सच्ची बात है ना।
एरो ऐसे नहीं लग जाता, ऐसे
यूँ यूँ
हाँ
और ये बाहर आ रही है,
हाँ
ठीक है।
हाँ
और ये आ रही है क्योंकि मैंने यूज़ किए ब्लू वाले नहीं इसमें, हाँ
वो ब्लू कार्बन डॉट्स पता नहीं क्या था आपने लिखा हुआ तो
उसको मैं ये कर ठीक है।
मैं आपको कहती थी अपने गूगल पे पिक्चर खुली हुई थी, उसको देख लें दफा, उसमें ये प्यारे वर्ड्स यूज कर रहे हैं।
इंसर्ट ये आ गया, ये इंसर्ट कीजिए हमने 290 नैनोमीटर की, ठीक है।
ये भी लिखे था
वो तो चल जाता है,
चलो ठीक
हाँ
है ठीक है।
It's Steve and Maggie. It's Steve and Maggie. Let's get and play. Oh, hello. It's you. I thought you were Maggie. I'm hungry, so I'm going for a midnight feast. Let's see what I've got in my fridge. Oh, look! Yogurt! Do you like yogurt? I do. Yogurt finger, where are you? Here I am. Do you want some too? It's delicious. Oh, but what's that? It's sweeter and even more delicious. Oh, look! It's honey. Do you like honey? I do. Oh. Honey finger, where are you? Here I am. Do you want some too? Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, but I know Maggie's got some chocolate somewhere around here. Maggie's chocolate might be in this cupboard. Let's have a look. Aha! Oh, hey, that's not chocolate. It's jam.
ठीक है।
But I like jam. Do you? Yeah? Jam finger, where are you? Here I am. Do you want some too? Oh, that's lovely. Oh, but I'm sure Maggie's chocolate is somewhere. Let's have a look in these drawers. No. Oh, yes! Oh, I found the chocolate. Chocolate is my favorite. Is it yours? Oh, yeah. Chocolate finger, where are you? Here I am. Do you want some too? That's lovely, but I better put it back. Now, I fancy some ice cream. Hey, ice cream, where are you? There you are. I love you. Come on, let's have some ice cream. Hey, ice cream. Oh, this will be delicious. Do you like ice cream? I love ice cream. Ice cream finger, where are you? Here I am. Do you want some too?
आपको तो मैथ का काम करना चाहिए अभी। आप गेम करके दीजिए कि आप काम छोड़ के गेमों में लग जाओ।
Hello, Maggie.
काम नहीं किया
What are you doing? Oh,
मैंने
we're just
काम नहीं
seeing
किया था कल।
finger family song. Yeah. Show me your fingers! Okay. Hey, come on, sing with me again. Are you ready? Abracadabra! Oh, Maggie! Hey, look, it's the Finger family. You know the song, don't you? Sing it with me. Daddy Finger, where are you? Here I am, oh, how do you do? Hello, Daddy Finger, nice to meet you. Who's next? Mummy Finger, where are you? Here I am, oh, how do you do? Hello, Mummy Finger. Look, it's Brother Finger next. Brother Finger, where are you? Here I am, oh, how do you do? Nice to meet you, Brother Finger. Who's next? Yeah. Sister Finger, where are you? Here I am, oh, how do you do? Nice to meet you, Sister Finger. The last one is the baby. Baby Finger, where are you? Wow, oh, how do you do? Hey, thanks. You see, Maggie, they know the Finger family song. Yeah, that was great. Let's sing it again. Hold up your other hand. Okay. Abracadabra! Wow! Look at all the animals. Can you find the lion? Yeah. Lion Finger, where are you? Here I am. Roar, roar, roar. Wow! Now find the snake. Snake Finger, where are you? Here I am. Oh, I don't like snakes. Where's the parrot? Parrot Finger, where are you? Here I am.
यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा क्यों क्योंकि वो अंधेरे
Oh, what a noisy parrot! Where's the elephant? Elephant Finger, where are you? Here I am. Oh, wow! Now, can you find the monkey? Monkey Finger, where are you? Here I am.
ठीक है और प्लांट में इसमें
Hey, thank you. Hey, Maggie, that was great.
Oh, hey, Steve, let's have a midnight thing.
No, thank you, Maggie. I think I'll go to bed. Okay, tea for you, and for you. Oh, hello, boys and girls. You're just in time. For what? Oh, for my teddy bear tea party. Yeah, everyone's here. Look, baby bear, sister bear, brother bear, mummy bear, and big daddy bear. Oh, daddy bear, would you like some more tea? Hi, boys and girls. Let's have some fun. Watch this. Abracadabra! Hey, where did the teddy bear family go? Oh, it must be Maggie, you naughty bird. Now it's a game of hide and seek. Hey, will you help me find them? Yeah? Great. Come on then. Yeah. Okay, where is Baby Bear? Oh, can you see Baby Bear anywhere? Oh, why don't you help me call out for Baby Bear? Come on, say with me. Baby Bear. Oh, and again, but louder. Baby Bear. Let's try even louder. Baby Bear. Steve, why are you so noisy? Sorry, Maggie. I'm looking for Baby Bear. Yeah, I don't know where Baby Bear is. Okay, I can help. Abracadabra! Oh, there's Baby Bear, and he's dancing. Yeah. Baby Bear, doopy doopy doo. 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 It's a teddy bear tea party, a teddy bear tea party, a teddy bear tea party, oh yeah! Hey, Baby Bear, welcome to my tea party. But where where is your sister? Hey, boys and girls, will you help me find Baby Bear's sister? Yeah? Come on then. Yeah. So, where is Sister Bear? Where is she? Oh, I can't see her. Can you? Hey, let's call out for her. Come on. Sister Bear. Oh, and again, but louder. Sister Bear. Oh, even louder. Sister Bear. Where is she? I know. Abracadabra. Oh, there's Sister Bear, and she's dancing. Yay! Sister Bear, doopy doopy doo. Sister Bear, doopy doopy doo.
से जगह ले ली थाले पैड्स की और उन्होंने फोर्सेस वाला काम शुरू कर दिया थाले पैड्स कम हो गए इसलिए क्लोरोफिल कम हो जाता है इसलिए उसमें क्लोरोफिल कम क्योंकि वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड काम कर रहे हैं
Sister Bear, doopy doopy doo. Sister Bear, doopy doopy doo. It's a
डालेंगे तो इसमें कुछ हिस्से ले लेना ना दोबारा लगा देना
मैं तो ये कॉपी करता हूँ ना
कॉपी करने से ले जाए आपको याद रहे हाँ कि आपने ये बात करनी थी
Teddy bear tea party, a teddy bear tea party, a teddy bear tea party, oh yeah! Okay, welcome to my tea party, Sister Bear. Baby Bear's here, but where is Brother Bear? Let's find Brother Bear. Come on! Okay, where is Brother Bear? Can you see him? Him? Yeah? No? Oh, come on. Let's call out for him. Say with me. Are you ready? Brother Bear, Brother Bear, Brother Bear. Oh, I know! Abracadabra! Oh, look. There's Brother Bear. And he's dancing. Yay! Brother Bear, doopy doopy doo. 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 It's a teddy bear tea party, a teddy bear tea party, a teddy bear tea party, oh yeah! Okay, so now Brother Bear, Sister Bear and Baby Bear are at my tea party. Now we need Mummy Bear and Daddy Bear. Let's look for Mummy Bear. Come on! Can you see Mummy Bear? I can't, so let's call for her. Come on! Mummy Bear, Mummy Bear, Mummy Bear! Yeah! Say with me, but faster! Mummy Bear, Mummy Bear, Mummy Bear! And again! Mummy Bear, Mummy Bear, Mummy Bear! Oh, where is Mummy Bear? I think Maggie knows, don't you? Yeah! She's there! Abracadabra! Oh, there's Mummy Bear! She's dancing! Come on! Yay! Mummy Bear, doopy doopy doo. 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 It's a teddy bear tea party, a teddy bear tea party, a teddy bear tea party, oh yeah! Mummy Bear, welcome to my tea party. Hey! Okay, boys and girls, there's only one bear missing, isn't there? Which bear is that? That's right, Mummy Bear. We need Daddy Bear. Come on, let's go and find Daddy Bear. So, where is Daddy Bear? Daddy Bear. He's behind the wardrobe, sleeping. Come on, let's wake him up. Daddy Bear. Daddy Bear. Daddy Bear. One more time. Daddy Bear. Wow, Daddy Bear is a big bear, isn't he? So come on, boys and girls, dance with us. Yeah. Daddy Bear, doopy doopy doo. 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 It's a teddy bear tea party, a teddy bear tea party, a teddy bear tea party, oh yeah! Now Steve has got all the teddy bears back for his tea party! That was fun! Yeah! Fantastic! Everybody's Everybody's here. Look, Daddy Bear, Brother Bear, Baby Bear, Sister Bear, and Mummy Bear. They're here for my Teddy Bear Tea Party. It's a Teddy Bear Tea Party. Doobie doobie doo. It's a Teddy Bear Tea Party. Doobie doobie doo. With the Teddy Bear family. Doobie doobie doo. With the Teddy Bear family. Doobie doobie doo. Hey, hello, boys and girls. Look, I've got a broom and I'm ready to go. No, not like that. No, to go to work, sweeping up these leaves. Oh, I love autumn. Do you? Oh, Maggie, I mean, just look at these colours. Red, yellow, this would be much easier with a little Maggie magic. Yeah, autumn. So lovely. Wow, good idea, Maggie. Yeah. Look, the brooms are sweeping away the leaves without us. Now we can go and clean the car. What? Come on, Maggie. Yay.
Hooray! Wow, that was fun. Oh, look! Whoa, let's go see. Yes! Wow, magic broomsticks! Let's go fly like rockets!
Oh no! What, Maggie? Maggie, those kids have flown off on our broomsticks. And look at the mess they're making with the pumpkins, witches, and skeletons all up in the air. Oh, Maggie, we have to stop them. What? I need your help. Okay, Oh, abracadabra! Maggie, are you sure about this? Oh, little boys and girls, I'm flying on a vacuum cleaner. It's working. It's working. Up and away. Get the steam. Oh, wow. This is crazy. I'm so high up. Oh, look, there's a pumpkin.
वैसे भाई अच्छा
Try to catch it. Oh, no. Oh, hey there. Help me catch the pumpkins.
Okay. One little, two little Halloween pumpkins. Three little.
ये होमवर्क करके दिखाओ।
ये वो बुक लगी है एवरेज सब मैं ना उनके बारे में सोचता हूँ।
Four little Halloween pumpkins. Five little, six little Halloween pumpkins.
Happy Halloween. Holy. Look, all the pumpkins are here. Let's count them and catch them. Yeah! One. Pumpkin. Two pumpkins. Three pumpkins. Whoa! Four pumpkins. Five pumpkins. Six pumpkins. Yay! We got them all. Oh, hey guys, look. For those witches!
One little, two little Halloween witch.
अभी चल नहीं रहा।
Three little, four little Halloween witches. Five little, six little Halloween witches. Happy Halloween.
Hey, are all the witches here? Let's count them and
अच्छा रुकिए, आप ना फिर पराठे लेके आ जाना.
catch them. Yeah! One witch, two witches. Oh! Ah! Three witches, four witches, five witches, one